Our ancestors would have listened to birdsong and they would have used it to interpret the world around them.
There's quite a few vocalizations, really.
You know, it's like another language.
Did you hear that? It's brambling.
It's like a drug to me. Really excited. It's just brilliant. It's just nice to listen into another world, somewhere we're not used to hearing.
Lapwing. Look, 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 look.
Oh, beautiful!
It's next to the wall. Look.
.63% of our birds are at risk of extinction, so they're either red or amber listed.
How many do you reckon are left?
But last year, it was just this one confirmed pair.
In the whole country?
In the whole country.
The sonic loss. It's a representation of the physical loss. The more people that you reach out to, the more chance we have of making a difference.
What he's doing is going to be a great record to have.
I think that people connect with music and sound. It's another way to make people care about things that we're potentially losing.